Hello guys, in this video, Goodness will teach you how to make Stickman video tutorial just like this one. Keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for 100 subscribers. I couldn't do this without you.
So here is how to create that animation that you just watched. Number one is that you need to pick a niche. It can be 10 fun facts about XYZ. It can be some viral sounds on TikTok, IG or Facebook. It can be funny jokes or comedy. It can be motivation. So to get what we are going to say, we can just go over to ChatGPT and type in 10 useless facts about being an adult. Yes, you can just tell ChatGPT 10 useless facts about being an adult. It depends on the niche that you want to go into. So let me just use this as an example. So we'll wait for ChatGPT to generate the words that we are going to use. Yes. So after ChatGPT is done doing that, we'll just go ahead and generate voiceovers. So for voiceovers, you can use ClickChamp, 11 Lab, or this free tool that I just discovered called ttsfree.com. So go over to your browser and type in ttsfree.com. So just give it time to load. And this is what the interface looks like. So this is a free text-to-speech website or platforms. So you can just go ahead and navigate and choose different kinds of voice that you want. Yes, you can just go ahead and choose different kinds of. So let's just play one of these voice and hear what it sounds like. Yes, let's play one of it and hear what it sounds like.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions. So always be satisfied with your life, be happy of in every moment of life.
So let's listen to this second voice and hear what it sounds like.
The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions. So always be satisfied with your life, be happy of in every moment.
So after I'm done, I will just go ahead and type in what I want to say in this bar here. So I'll just go ahead and type it, and then after I'm done, I'll just click on convert. But because I already have an audio I want to use already, so I will not be using this. I just want to show you what it looks like. So the final step is to create the animation, like the character animation for this video. So for us to be able to do this, we'll be using this app called Adobe Express. Yes, it's available on the Play Store and it's available on the App Store. So we'll just allow it to load and we'll scroll to this place where they say animate to audio, and we'll click on it. And when it's done loading, you can just go ahead and choose different characters that you want depending on the one that suits your preference. Yes, you want many people. If you want multiple people in the character, you can just choose it. Depending, just feel free to play around with these two. So I'll just go ahead and scroll to this place and look for this animation called Stickman. You can use this particular one now that is here, or you can just go and look for this one that is they're calling Stickman. So this is it. I'll click on it, and so I'll just go ahead and scale it depending on how big or how small I want it to look, and then I'll click on background. So you can just choose to leave it as transparent, or you can change it to the color that you want it to have. You can have the green. So if you are someone that you have already made background, you can just choose the transparent. Or if you feel like the background or the transparent background will not do the job for you, you can just click on the green. Yes, click on the green for it to export it with the green, and then go to your app that you're using, and then you just click on remove, and then you use chroma key to remove it. So you can go ahead and click on the record to record on the go, or you just click on this place that just like browse, and then choose the file that you want, or choose the music that you want. Because I already have an already made music, so I'll just click on that and then wait for it to load. Yes, and the sweetest part about this app is that it does the lip syncing for you. So you don't need to go and look for another app or another browser to do the lip syncing, and then you now do the exporting and no, this app does virtually everything for you. All you just need to do is just choose the one that you want and go with it. So this is my final look. This is the final look of what I did. So I'll just go ahead and download it to my camera roll. So please, if you have watched this video up to this moment and you have not subscribed, please do well to do what subscribe. The plan is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. One thing I want you to bear in mind is that you can make a lot of money from posting this video, and as well you can go viral.